And they like, Kato, why you do that?
I fuck up that second and go get it back. Some shit I was taught as a youngin'.
For real.
My little bitch a brat, I told her relax. I'm too busy chasing this money. My niggas some apes, they strung with them drakes. Just know we grew up in the dungeon. My nickname Houdini, they callin' it magic. The way I turn nothing to.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Big Rambo, the OG Rambo, and I got another breakdown video for you guys today. Today I took two trades, one being GBPUSD and the other one being NAS100, and they both were textbook setups and they played out just how I imagined. So with that being said, let's break down GU. You know, I come to the markets around 7 o'clock Central, and when I come to the markets, of course, we boom, 7 o'clock. So here goes 7 o'clock. So I mark up what I see. I see a potential demand down here. I noticed that we're very, very bullish. So I'm definitely looking for buys more than sales. I turned on my yesterday's high and noticed that we are breaking that high. So see sort of a support being made right here. I can get another one. I see potential demand right here. And then I also see, you come in on it, kind of a support being made right here. So now I'm waiting for price to react to somewhere along this area. Price can react at here, it can come back, react here, it can come down, react here at this level of demand / support, or it could break all that and come back down to this demand. We just have to react to what we see. So once I got this, I'm looking for buys. I've seen a nice rejection. Putting in the buys, stops below. Yeah, it's like a 10 pip stop, and we aim for the 1-to-1. I mark up the 1-to-1 for one position. Now I mark up the 1-to-2 for the next one, and let's watch it. I did take my profits right here though. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I thought I got tapped. No, well, I did get tapped. I got tapped on my MetaTrader. So I had my TP set, and MetaTrader did tap me out. So I guess I had to set it a little too low. But 1-to-2s hit. So, and I hit my 1-to-1 on one position, left the runner to 1-to-2. And I closed most of my position right here, but I did leave a little runner. It wasn't nothing major. I was just wanting to see how far it would go. And then I exited around right here once I got this rejection. So that was a total of around 30 pips caught on a GU. So that was a good trade. That was a good trade. I still see GU being very, very bullish, but tomorrow we do have to let me exit replay mode. Tomorrow we do have to be careful because there is news coming from both sides of the USD and the GBP pound. Both speakers will be speaking, so we do have to be cautious of that because they're gonna go to war tomorrow, as in the market's fighting. Let's go to the NAS breakdown. NAS was very clean and very textbook, so it was a 5-minute entry. Let's go down to the 5-minute. And if you want, we can replay this one as well. So I wasn't paying attention to NAS at all. And then I just clicked over to it. Seen a simple demand. High probability. We wait for the tap. We got that tap. Wait for the break of this candle. Stops were below. Stops were below. Aim for the 1-to-1 on one of my positions. and then we go for the 1 to 2. 1 to 1 was hit, 1 to 2 got hit. So that was a good trading day too. It was just simple. Both of them were clean. Yesterday was kind of trash for me. I did lose yesterday. I won GU, and then I lost other trades yesterday. I was forcing trades yesterday, especially with commodities, gold and silver. I tried silver for the first time, but I don't like the spreads on silver, so I will not be trading silver anymore. But as of right now, NAS and GU paid me well today, so tomorrow we will come back to the markets and see what we get. I'm seeing NAS becoming more and more bullish by the day recently, so this 1 hour candle is crazy. So maybe we're back up at these highs. If we break this, then I see us going up to these highs at 1500. If we reject, we'll be probably going back down to this hourly demand that was formed. So we'll just have to see. But I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a quick breakdown, upload a good YouTube video for you guys. And yeah. But I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a quick breakdown, upload a good YouTube video for you guys. And yeah, man, like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and PSA, I am making me a beginner's Forex course for people who want to learn. I'm not trying to be a teacher or a mentor per se. I just want to, you know, help beginners like me shorten the learning curve, especially ones who don't have time to just go through every single detail about Forex. I'm creating a simplified beginner's course where it'll be simple enough for you guys to understand, giving you guys a good trading strategy to use. And I just feel like everybody should possess this skill, because you never know when we're going to be in hard times. So I just want everyone, and I mean everyone, to possess this skill, whether you're 12 learning how to trade, whether you're 25, whether you're 38, whether you're 46, whether you're 58. I don't care. Anyone can do this, and you can make extra money. So it's just something to think about, because I'm really passionate about this, and I really just want to help people live a better life. So yeah, so that will be coming out soon. I am in the middle of making videos for the course, and then I will be putting the course together. But man, I just appreciate y'all for the support, for real. I'm trying to grow, and it's a fun ride. I'm really enjoying it. So that's all I got. Like, comment, and subscribe again, man. Hit me up with any suggestions, and I holla. Peace.